All right, we are live. We are live. We have done it. Let's open up LinkedIn. Let's see what kind of job we got today. Let's go into the mines. Let's go into the mines. See what we got today. Let's start off with sending my buddy here my resume. Okay. Ooh, Thunderbird is taking a long time to open up, but I don't generally like using Thunderbird anymore. I don't know, I feel like something about the integration that they used to have, like they used to have much better integration with Google. Although maybe it's different now. Maybe it's even really good. I don't know. Let's post this stuff to LinkedIn too. Why not? Rewrite with AI? No. Post. Just post this stuff. Okay. Gmail.com. Let's see. Let's put the I'm not even listening to the music. You are. I want to listen to some music too. Let's get my headphones in. Let's go to my email account that won't be destroyed on Monday. Do I look particularly bald from that angle? Thanks, you have no idea how much I appreciate this. Let's attach my resume. Let's attach the R&D resume. And hey, I got a like. I got my first like. On TikTok. Not bad. Got my Stephen Gundry video. Oh, what is this one? Market Boulevard. Boulevard of Broken Wings, but this one is so sick. This song is so sick. Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Do I want to listen to the next one? Or are we listening to this one again? Ah, we're listening to this one again. We're gonna wait. We're gonna loop this. Just a quick loop. Once. This one is so sick. All right. Jobs. Focus, Mark. Chemistry associate, biotechnic. I applied to this. Didn't I? Didn't I apply to this one? I did. I did apply to this one. All right, senior scientist, discovery chemistry. We are seeking an experienced, highly skilled, and motivated analytical and separation scientist to work in our laboratories in La Jolla, California. Okay. For the position of senior scientist in discovery chemistry. Here, let's move some stuff out of the way. The way I'm sitting is not good for my posture. Never been known to have very good posture to begin with, but let's at least try. Let's at least try to have okay posture. Let's bring this down a little bit. Back. There we go. Ah! Why is it not doing what I want it to do anymore? Oh, the wire's in the way. Yeah, that's all right. Post this shit to Reddit. Can I reply to my... Yeah, I can... Live now. Let's experience this endless nightmare together. And then youtube.com/@ Okay, I can't play the song again. It's so good, but I can't play it again. It's so good. It's so good. Oh my god. I discovered a new favorite. I just discovered a new favorite. What are we listening to now? Okay. Man, Market Boulevard was so good. I just love remixes of that Sonic song. The Rooftop Run. If any remix of Rooftop... Oh, man. Okay. Do I want to take a... No, I'm going to do a few songs, and then we're going to do Rooftop Bop, which is maybe my favorite. Maybe my favorite song ever written is Rooftop Bop. Ooh, one of the greats. Truly, truly one of the great songs. How do I see my subscribers in YouTube? Like a list of them. Let's subscribe back. It includes only the users who have made their subscription public. Oh, I can't see everyone who subscribed to me. Okay. Still learning how YouTube works. I don't know how to do social media. I'm new to this. I don't know how to do social media. Can we see the job title in the string, or the, not the job title, the job total? Yeah, we can. Awesome. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. All right. Got those neurocrin ones in process. The senior scientist bioanalytical definitely seems like a good fit. Reposted 2 days ago. 90 people applied. How many people applied? Just 90? Ooh. All right. Looks like he's going to help me out on Monday. Monday morning. Seawolf. Seawolf is always hiring. Not me, though. I even got into contact with people at Seawolf. Like I sent, I guess this would have been a year ago by now. I sent out a whole bunch of requests for like informal interviews. And I did talk to someone at SeaWorld, and the guy was like, oh, you know, you seem really nice and stuff, but no. I did the same thing with Gilead. Gilead, I had a chat with some people, and I had some... one was over Zoom, one was over LinkedIn messages, and they were like, oh, yeah, you seem nice, you should apply for this, you should apply for this, but it didn't go anywhere. I didn't even get an interview, I guess. So, like, that informal interview thing... seems to matter a little bit, but not too much. Oh, wait, okay. Dallas, Texas, Scientist 2, Pre-Analytical Development. What is this one? Who are they looking for? This might also just be more small molecule stuff. We'll find out. PhD or master's degree, molecular biology, biochemistry, genetics. 3 years of experience in molecular diagnostics, including next-gen sequencing and liquid biopsy. I don't. No. I am unqualified for this one. Oh, my computer's right about to die. Charge it. Wait, what did I post this in? What did I post this in? I posted just some random thing somewhere. Oh no. Can I edit? Edit. Copy. Copy. There. Dino Turb. That's one of the weight loss things. Dino Turb. I want to go. Hopefully everyone can see a good look at my sick gamer back. Bup, 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 bup. Studio. I want to go to studio. Ooh, that looks, seems like a video I want to watch. Vanity Fair talking to Bruce Campbell. Definitely a fan of Bruce Campbell. Am I live? Am I live right now? I am live. Alright, awesome. What? How do I get to the, This is not the setting that I want to be at. I want to check, like, my chat and stuff. Not video analytics. Why am I so bad at this? Video details. Dashboard. Docs. YouTube control panel. Okay. Okay. Chat. Alright, well, there we go. That's something. Got one person watching. Hey, say hey. Is it just me? Am I the one watching? It might be. Okay, research scientist. I applied to that one. It just doesn't say that I'm applied. Research scientist surgery, UT Southwestern, no. Associate scientist laboratory operations, Austin. Maybe. We are seeking an associate scientist to join Q2 Solutions, IQVIA's laboratory business at Austin, Texas. Perform and document analytical procedures. What analytical procedures? Bachelor's degree in a chemical, physical, biological, or clinical lab scientist, medical lab technology, or cytotechnology. Minimum of 6 months in a regulated laboratory environment. I want to know what this means. Regulated lab environment. Because every lab is like under regulations. Every lab. There is no lab that has no regulations. So I desperately want to know what that means so I can like spin my own resume, because I've never worked in a industry lab. And if they're asking for 6 months within an industry lab, well, that's something I don't have. I have 8 years of working in academic labs, but I don't have 6 months of working in a 300 applied. 300 applied, 8 in the past day. All right, well, let's apply. Let's take a look at the stats. 298, so not 300. It will be 299. 298. 8 in the past day. 26% have a bachelor's. 23% have a master's. 21%. Oh, 30% have other degrees. How many people have a PhD? Turns out having a PhD for this kind of job probably makes it worse. The pay range is so big. 41,000 to 103. If I get to the, like, close to the top end of that, 70, 80, that's really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a job that'll pay me $70,000 to $80,000. It's really what I'm looking for. All right, let's apply for this one. It's a whole new My Work Day. Let's autofill with resume. Create an account. Create account. Attach my CV. Jobs. HHMI resume. Let's do biotech resume. It shows more of my skills. And it's focused more on my skills and not on my academic accomplishments. This is what it's supposed to be. Have you ever worked for Novella Q2? No. Country, United States? Yes. Those are that's my address. Phone number, I have to select mobile. Save and continue. We have my job, PhD researcher, University of California. Let's go. This is going to be Irvine. Location, Irvine, California. Irvine, California. Postdoc researcher in La Jolla, California. And undergraduate researcher in University of California. Irvine. Excuse me. Irvine, California. Lecturer. San Diego. Jaloya, California. Lecturer, and I currently work here. Skills. What is my suggested skills? Though they look pretty good. Let's get rid of functional assays. Let's keep ELISA. Protein structure. Assays. Let's get rid of assays. Proteins. Let's get rid of proteins. Biochemistry. Let's get rid of biochemistry. Let's make this a little more tailored for this particular job. See what skills they want. Back to job posting. What are the specific skills? Prepare buffers. Okay, I know how to prepare buffers. Upload data into the LIMS system. Okay, I know what a LIMS system is. It's a electronic notebook. Identify potential performance errors. Okay. But what will I be doing? What will I be doing? This role. Alright, let's just leave the skills. It doesn't say. It doesn't say what exactly the job is even doing. It's just like optimizing. And so let's just keep it there. Okay, have you ever been a regular employee? No. Have you ever been a contingent worker? No. Will you require sponsorship? No. Are you aware that anything that might restrict you, any non-compete? No. Are you legally allowed to work in the United States? Yes. Do you currently or have had any employment that is not listed on the CV? No. To the best of your knowledge, do you have any family members that... No. Do not have any family members that work with IQVIA. Have you ever been a UK licensed medic? No. I am not a UK. Or have I ever been? What are my salary expectations? Let's go with 75. 1, 2, 3 a year. Highest level of education achieved. Highest level. Let's just slow down talking. Just slow it down. Highest level of education achieved. Select your gender. Oh, I gotta go back. I gotta go back to the skills because I didn't put video games. Gotta put video games. Always. Let's just finish this one. Not a veteran. I accept the terms. Save and continue, and then go back. Back. The summer sale's on now. Mute. Back. Back. My experience. Skills. Let's call it process optimization. Let's call it troubleshooting. Let's go with what else? Prepare buffers. Okay. Buffer preparation. Thank you for correcting the spelling there for me, computer. Sometimes computers can be useful. Limbs. Limbs. Laboratory Information Management System. And video games. Can I put also just like playing video games? All right, now I'm ready. Now I'm ready to submit this one. Another one in the bag. I do not have a disability. Do I have to put my name anywhere? There it is. And today's date. Save and continue. Submit. Thank you. All right, there we go. There's one. Back to LinkedIn. Back to the mines. $871. What else do we have? What else do we have? Not seeing much that I haven't already applied for. That's the problem with applying for hundreds of jobs. If you apply to too many jobs, you apply to all of them. Jobs. All right, let's look in Austin. Let's pick a spot. Let's look, because I do want to get out of California. Let's go scientist, Austin. Okay, research and development scientist at New Elixir. 100,000 to 130. Ooh. That's high. That is high. Can I stream to Steam? That might be fun. OBS. Stream to Steam. Maybe. I'll think about that. Let's focus. What is this one? This is lipid nanoparticle, or some sort of nanoparticle. Is it lipid nanoparticle? Develop colloids. Knowledgeable in liposomes, double emulsions. I have a little bit. Publications and presentations indicative of a candidate's research in relevant areas by peers. They probably want someone with more. They probably want someone with more experience in lipid nanoparticles than I have. The only experience I have for lipid nanoparticles is RDCs for NMR. Does that make any sense to anybody? RDCs for NMR. So you make these little lipid nano like discs to orient your proteins within a solution, and that allows you to pick up some details about their structure. So it lets you to know, figure out bond angles. If you want to know what the structure of the protein is, this will tell you one amino acid's bond angle to the other. If you orient it a little bit, you have that instead of the protein just being randomly distributed into the solution, they're kind of they tend toward a certain orientation, and that allows you to figure out what the bond angle between the different amino acids are, which is pretty cool. And the lipid nanoparticles, they stop that rotation and give a slight orientation. You just need a little bitty bit. Just a little bitty bit. Chemist, organic synthesis specialist. That's not me. Associate scientist, laboratory operations. I already applied for that one. Scientific development. Scientist, SynBio, Amber East. What is this? %. Oh, it's sales. This is sales. Advanced degree and a minimum of 5 years of experience and success in antibody discovery. No, I don't have enough experience for that one. Analytical development. Maybe. PhD plus 1 to 2 years of industry. I don't have that. Hands-on experience is required in cell-based assays and ELISA. I have some experience with ELISA. Strong technical experience with cell-based potency assays. I don't have that. Not relevant or not qualified. Not qualified. This is something that I think I should keep track of. A little spreadsheet. What jobs am I qualified for? What jobs am I overqualified for? And what jobs am I underqualified for? So like that one, I was underqualified. The job that I applied for earlier, the associate scientist in laboratory operations, I am overqualified. And it's like, well, how do I find the perfect one? How do I find the perfect level of qualification? That's the mystery. Field application scientist for Allegiant. We looked at this one. This one is, yeah, cell flow cytometry. Don't have that. Field application scientist for NABSIS. What is this one? UGM workflows. 4 years as an application scientist. They want 4 years as a requirement? Jeez. All right, well, no. Unqualified. CAR T cell researcher, unqualified. I've never worked with CAR T cells. Unfortunately. Hands-on experience with karyotyping. No. All right, yeah. Unqualified for this one. Let's go with Scientist 2, R&D. ICU Medical. Perform complex chemical and instrumental analyses to support laboratory functions and stability testing. It's stability testing in proteins. I am qualified for that. Must be able to manipulate algebraic equations. Yeah. PhD in chemistry/biology with 2 years of recent analytical instrumentation experience. Yeah, it's 2 years is... It's been about 2 years. If I get the job tomorrow, I'm within the 2 years. So it's probably just like small molecule HPLC, stuff like that. How many people have applied? 44. That's pretty good. What is ICU Medical? What is ICU Medical? Let's apply. This one's not... Okay, it is a job. It's a Japanese firm? Otsuka ICU Medical? Let's Google that. Otsuka ICU Medical. So they are a... I don't know why I said that they're Japanese. I mean, Otsuka to me sounds like it would be Japanese. What is about? Who are we? Who is Otsuka? Because I'm trying to learn Japanese. It is Japanese, yeah. See, Otsuka founded Otsuka in the Tokushima Prefecture, Japan. Hey. Busaburo. That my intonation on that was way wrong. I know that for sure. Don't have an account. Email address. My email address. Name, Mark. Preferred name, Mark. Email address, phone number, country, United States, address, city, what happened here? What happened to my address? Firefox destroyed me here. Oh no, this is bad. Postal code. Please, autofill, go away. Please. Autofill is absolutely wrecking me here. Just overwriting everything that I put. It's too aggressive. It's autofilling too much. Where's my generic cover letter? I'm just gonna do a generic one. Then I think I'm going to be done for the day. Not too many today. I did go to the dentist today. I went to the dentist. Then I took a nap. Jobs. Let's go to my jobs folder. Jobs. The cover letter. Let's read it. Is it generic? This is really generic. Okay. Let's just make this somewhere a little more accessible. So I don't have to like go down a million different folders to get to it. Upload cover letter. Answer the following questions. Link 1. Do you have any friends? No. I do not have any friends that work at Otsuka. Have you been previously employed? No. Do you have any friends who work for ICU? No. Yes, I have a high school diploma. Are you at least 18? Yes. Oh, the yes and no's are like changing. Sometimes it's on the left, sometimes it's on the right. The yes and where the yes is located is changing, keeping me on my toes. Are you currently authorized to work in the United States? Yes. Will you need sponsorship? No. Have you been employed by ICU Medical? No. Enter your work preferences. Travel domestically, internet. Yeah, yes. Here, max 25%. Travel internationally. No, let's not do. Let's do no. Yes, willing to locate. Yes. All locations. Yes. Minimum pay, 80. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Currency code, USD. US dollar. US dollar next day. US dollar same day in US dollar. Pay frequency, yearly. Now it's time for my race. My gender. Am I disabled? Have I read these things? My e-signature. E-signature isn't valid. Why? Why? It's a good e-signature. It's my name. First name, Mark. Last name... Oh, I misspelled my name. I misspelled my own name. It happens. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Please provide the names. No, I have not been applied. Okay. All set. Creating candidate info. Saving job application info. Scientist 2 R&D under consideration. Let's look at this company. Especially because if I can improve my Japanese and if I work at a Japanese company, that'd be great. All right, product operator. Supervision, night shift. Be the first to apply. Ooh. Let's read. Third shift, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., Sunday through Thursday. That would suck. That would suck. It, you know, I'd be able to see my kids much. And that's sad. Must have the ability to react to things. Supervises assigned manufacturing area daily. Physical knowledge and skills. This is like, I don't think this is something that I would be considered for. Prior supervisory experience in pharmaceutical, food, or cosmetic industry preferred. Candidates without a degree will be considered provided they have 6 years of direct supervisory experience. I do have that. I mean, I've been supervising people for a long time. I have been supervising people. Let's apply. Let's change my... willing to travel. Okay. It's not... This saves my whole application. Submit. And so I can apply for a whole bunch of jobs for this one company because it's doing a good job with my application. Suggested jobs. See more jobs. More jobs. Oh wait, we have I think 2 more. 173 or 873. Find jobs, all jobs, engineering, manufacturing, EHS. Laboratory is the one that I already applied for. Senior supervisor, chemical. Okay. I did not apply for this one. Senior chemical quality supervisor. Oversees testing of raw products in process and final products. Hire, supervise, and ensure training. Must be 18 or older. 3 years of supervisory experience and 5 years total experience in laboratories. I do have that. Prior experience in an analytical chemistry lab. I do have that. Office setting. They don't say the pay though. That's something I don't like. They don't say the pay because I don't want to overshoot it. I don't want to disqualify myself because I'm asking for too much. I am willing to negotiate. But I'll apply for this one. Absolutely. Oh, absolutely. PhD in biochemistry? Absolutely. Teeth are a little sore. Let's look for more jobs, more jobs, more jobs. Let's just click all jobs. They only have 22 jobs open. So let's product operator performs one or a combination of the production line, responsible for achieving production standards in manual operations or while operating equipment requiring average mechanical skills and aptitude. Senior analyst, government pricing and Medicaid, no. Assistant controller, manufacturing, no. Already applied. Specialist, EHS. Maybe. Alright, let's check out specialist EHS. And I think this will be the last one for this company. Understand various OSHA, EPA. I have some idea of what these things are. Like working in a lab, you have to have some idea. First aid, all right, no. I don't have those certifications, emergency responder certifications. I don't have that. All right. Thank you, Otsuka. Otsuka. Let's do one more. Did I apply for this one? Scientist, protein expression and purification. I did. I applied a month ago. I applied a month ago. Do I just message someone about this? All I do is express proteins. That is my skill. That is my main skill. 1,544. 1,544. 70% have a PhD. God damn. God damn. That's wild. Here. Let's do this. Let's share. Do. That's wild. All right. take a look at this post. Scientist protein expression and purification. And I have already applied for it. I applied 1 month ago. Reposted 3 weeks ago. Actively reviewing applicants. This is like what I did, right? This is like exactly what I did in my PhD. I expressed proteins. And I purified them with affinity chromatography, ion exchange, size exclusion, expertise in protein purification techniques, and experience with chromatographic systems. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Absolutely, I have that. Look at this. 1,544 applicants. That's the competition. 1,544 applicants. 70% have a doctor of philosophy similar to you. Help. Oh my god. Help me, please. No wonder they're still looking at the people who are applying. No wonder I haven't heard back from Kelly. Actively reviewing applicants. Jeez. On site in the greater Seattle area. This is what we're up against. Research and development scientist, Cincinnati, Ohio. Let's take a look. 12-month contract. That's never great. 12-month contract. Uh, 1 to 2 years in a bachelor's degree. Hands-on experience on HPLC. That's me. Exposure to general instrumentation, HPLC, GC, titrations, pH meters, balances. That's me. It probably doesn't pay that well. 24% have a doctor of philosophy similar to you. And the requirement is just a bachelor's degree with 1 to 2 years of experience. Easy apply. Let's do it. Yes. Submit application. Oh, man. Wow. Wow. All right, that's it. I'm done. I'm done applying for jobs. And sadly, this is my last day in this office. I gotta come back later tonight and clean it out. Gotta come back. What? 874. Let's call it 874. I lost a job somewhere in there, I think. All right. Well, I don't know. I'll hang out for like 15 minutes. See if anyone joins. Play some video game. What do we want to play? Got my controller? Pop. Got my controller? Plug it in. Do this for like 15 minutes. Yeah. Let's check my emails. Thank you for your application. AJ Kumar. Ooh, we have tried to reach you via a cell phone regarding your request on a career builder for career opportunity of purchasing administrator available. This is a scam. Yep, that's not real. Nope. That's not real. What game do we want to play? What do I have? Yeah, a ton of games. Programs. Let's play gambling. Let's play gambling. Ah, pick my chair. Ah, there we go. Here we are. Let's open this up. Sega Genesis. Let's go with no? No? I thought I had that game. I thought I had Golden Nugget. Or no. See, it's Caesar's Palace. Caesar's Palace. Here we go. Caesar's Palace. Let's fix this. How do I resize it? Transform? No? Fine. There we go. How do I get the audio? How do I get the audio? Yeah? No. Does this not do the audio? Oh, I guess maybe it doesn't. It says USB audio. It just might not be sending it. Let's go sound here. And output device, display port. Configuration, HDMI audio. Hey, that's way too loud. Let's turn off the... There we go. Hey, win big. Let's play this for like 15 minutes. Whoa. Caesar's Palace. Push start to enter. Welcome to Caesar's Palace ATM. Here you may restore an old account with your password. I don't have a password. Let's go to new account. Cancel. Enter password or new account. New account. Is this just like so sensitive? It is. That's really funny. All right, we're just gonna be very careful. Welcome to the Quick Cashier. You will be issued a password. Please write it down so you can access your money later. Okay. Come back to get your password often. Okay. There's my password. Just take a screenshot. Okay. There's my guy. Yeah, look at him. All right, what game do we want to play? What? This is what? Video poker? This is blackjack, right? Sorry, this table's only open to high rollers. Ooh, too poor. Well, what can we play? Slots? Is this poor people blackjack or is this something else? Welcome to blackjack. The table limits are $100 minimum. $100 minimum. Jeez. No, let's get out of here. Back. Back. No? Back. Whoops. Whoops. Uh-oh. I'm betting. Stay. No. Stay. No, I wanted to stay. I'm broke. I don't know the controls. How do I leave? How do I leave? I'm in the menu. The boss is my menu. How do I leave? I don't have any chips. How do I leave? I was gonna configure the controls. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. Okay. Port 1 controls. Device type. RetroPad. Up. Let's do MD3 button. B. Mapped port 1. Quick menu, resume. Push buttons at the same time. Start. Push start in a button. Your dealer's waiting for you. Yeah, I know. I know. I'm broke. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. How do I go back? Start. All right, let's try a different game. Let's try a different game. Or let's just reset. Let's reset this game. Okay, this is going. Okay. Is there a menu? Can I show like an on-screen joypad? There's got to be A. My A button is not right. The A button is not right. That's my problem. What's wrong with my A button? Controls. Port 1 controls. A is set to button 3. Okay. Let's go back. Settings, input. Settings, input. RetroPad binds, controller 1. Device index, yes. Preferred. Mouse index, set all controls. Okay. Why? Button 3. Because I want A, B, C. A, B, C. B button down. A button right. Y button left. X button top. Select. Start. Shoulder. Shoulder. Trigger. Trigger. Button. Button. Save controller profile. Let's see if I can get one game. One game of blackjack. Let's go to the C. Chester Cheetah. Championship bowling. That'd be a good one too. C's are no playlist entries. Oh, it's A. Caesar's Palace. All right, now let's try. Caesar's Palace. Take 4. New account. At least 3 letters. P. ATM. Got roulette. Craps. What is this? Blackjack. Okay. Do one $500. Go. 3 13. Hit me. No, take it back. Oops. Okay. Try again. Okay. 16. Okay, that's the controls. I lost again. Last one. 10. 18. Okay. Is there no music in this or anything? Stay. 20. Annihilated. Now how do I leave? Start. How do I leave? All the buttons did something. Does this game require a 6-button controller? Yeah. I don't have any chips. I'm broke. The Genesis doesn't have that many buttons. All right, whatever. I gotta go home. I'm done. It was fun losing 3 rounds of blackjack. And I'll see you. I'll see everyone later. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.